Well, guys, it's Friday, and it's another Firebird Friday video. And today, we got a leak. When I went to fill up the radiator in our 67 Pontiac Firebird, noticed there was some drippies coming from behind the motor on the ground, and that's never good. So we got to find out why the heck this motor is dripping. And let's hope it's not a head gasket, because if it is, then this ain't gonna be pretty. Let's stop talking. Let's get back into some wrenching on the 67 Firebird today. See that there? That's after 3 days of just sitting, and it's still wet. So that means it's seeping out of something. And this weekend, when I was doing things, it was dripping from back here. So let's get a mirror back there and let's see. Fingers crossed it's a freeze plug, or if it's not, then it's gonna be a head gasket. Wanna do a $10 wager? You want to comment down below whether it's a freeze plug or a head gasket problem? Comment down below if you're up for the challenge. We'll see what happens. I'm putting my money on freeze plug because that would be easier. I'm going to take a mirror, stick it down in here, put a little up. Oh, can you guys see that in there? I can already see a drip, and it's rusty. It is on the back side of that head. Yep. Let me see if you guys can see that or not. We're not even 30 seconds, minute into this video, and already found the problem. It's a freeze plug that apparently has a hole in it. So now, do we take a little bit of JB Weld and fix that? Or we pop that out and put in one of those rubber plugs? What do you think I'm gonna do? So comment down below, let me know what you think I should do or what you think I'm gonna do, and let's find out. All right, let's use our little Dremel here, and if you wanna buy one of these, I'll have a link down below, but let's just get in there and see if we can't clean up that freeze plug, see how bad it is. All right, so kind of cleaned it up a little bit. I think the first thing we're gonna do is try JB welding in that little spot right there. Trying to get in there and pull that out. Looks like more challenge than what it's worth. So let's mix up some JB weld and let's see if we can't fix this freeze plug on this Pontiac 350 real quick. All right, well, we got some JB weld. It's been in the box for a little bit, but let's see what we can do with it. Go in here, fill up that plug. Just make sure we get it nice and clean.
Maybe right in the middle.
So, here?
Down. In there, yeah. Yep.
So we got the hole covered up with the JB Weld. Now we let it sit for 24 hours. We'll come back and see how we did. Woot woot!
24 hours later.
Okay. Well, our little JB Weld fix did not work. See if I can pull this in there. She's still leaking. So that means we're gonna need to grab one of those plug things to get in there. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. Kind of see back in there. Yeah, it's starting to leak again. So, you know, that didn't help. So we're gonna have to pull that whole plug out and get ourselves one of those rubber ones. Well, obviously the JB Weld did not do its job. So we're gonna have to pick up one of those auto parts store little rubber thingies, whatever they're called. That will probably be next Friday's video. So for this Friday's video for the Firebird, we tried, it didn't work. Thumbs down, so don't do it. Forget that stuff. We'll see if this little rubber thing we can buy at the auto parts store for $5 will fix our situation on the Firebird. So until next Friday, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this quick fix that was a failure in the comments down below. And I will see you next Friday for another episode of Firebird Fridays.